Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 3rd August 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 5. Chapter name is Food, we eat. Food we eat. Okay. So let's do little recapitulation, student. What we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video, student, we are doing the question answer of the chapter number 5. We have completed question number E and we started question number 1. Give detailed answer to the following question. Give detailed answer to the following question. So first answer is not complete. Okay. So we are doing question number F. Question number F and give detailed answer So in the previous video, student, we are writing the answer of question number 1, that is how can we preserve and store food. So we can preserve the food by adding salt. Okay, you see that in the pickles जो अचार होते हैं और जो फिश है उसमें सॉल्ट ऐड करने से भी उसे काफ़ी समय के लिए प्रिजर्व किया जा सकता है. ठीक है. बाई बॉइलिंग. सो बाई बॉइलिंग डेली यू वॉच दैट योर मदर बॉइल द मिल्क, बट बाई दिस मेथड the food or the milk can be preserved for a short period of time. And another benefit of the boiling is that when you boil the milk, the germs are killed. Due to boiling the milk also, the germs which are present in the milk, that germs are killed due to boiling. So this is the another benefit of boiling the milk. But by this method, student, you can't preserve milk for a long period of a time. So boiling method, by boiling method, you can preserve the milk for a short period of a time. Next method which we have written, that is the refrigeration and freezing. So what is this? Food kept in the refrigerator. For example, your parents buy the vegetables or fruits. So for few days, so food kept in the refrigerator remains fresh for some days. And what is the reason? Reason is that the temperature. Okay, germs do not grow easily in the cool places. जब temperature low होता है तो germs active नहीं होते. इससे क्या है? By this method, food can be preserved for few days. So these 3 points we have already written in the classwork copy. Is it clear? These 3 points we have already written in the classwork copy. Now we will write the next is the adding sugar. Next is the adding sugar. So student, by adding sugar we can preserve the food for a long time. So sugar ऐड करके हम क्या करते हैं? फ्रूट्स को स्टोर कर सकते हैं लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए जैम, जेलीज एंड मुरब्बास. ओके. So by adding sugar we can preserve the foods for a long time. So salt, how we preserve the food by adding salt? boiling, refrigeration and freezing. These 3 points we have already written. Now the fourth point of the answer number 1 is adding sugar. So adding sugar, extra sugar, extra sugar, extra sugar in food, also acts as a act as a preservative. Preservative. Okay. So extra sugar in food also act as a preservative. We can store which type of a food you can store by adding the sugar, that is fruits. Okay. So we can store fruits for a long time in the form of jams, jellies and murabbas, by adding sugar. Okay, so adding sugar, extra sugar in food also act as a preservative. In this manner also you can store the food for a long time. In this manner also you can store the fruits for a long time, and after that we can store fruits for a long time in the form of jams, jellies and मुरब्बास by adding sugar. मुरब्बा बेटा किससे बनता है? जो आंवला होता है, ठीक है, बहुत खट्टा होता है खाना, तो उस आंवले को हम लोग किसमें रखते हैं? शुगर, ठीक है। सो उस आंवले में हम लोग शुगर ऐड करते हैं एंड दैट वी से इट एज ए मुरब्बास. So in this manner also the food can be preserved for a long time. In this manner the food can be preserved for a long time. Next method, answer is not complete. One more method we have to write, that is a dehydration. Because in your book there are 5 methods are given how we can preserve the food: by adding salt, by boiling, by keeping the food in the refrigerator. Fourth point is by adding sugar, and fifth one is the dehydration. Fourth point is the dehydration. So in this method the food items are exposed to the sunlight. So the water is removed. ओके, जो फूड आइटम्स हैं जिन्हें प्रिजर्व करते हैं तो हम उनको किसके एक्सपोज करते हैं, टू सनलाइट, और जिससे कि उसमें से सारा वाटर क्या हो जाता है, रिमूव हो जाता है, ठीक है। एंड इट आल्सो किल्स द जर्म्स, और यू कैन से इट आल्सो स्टॉप द ग्रोथ ऑफ जर्म्स इन देम। जब वाटर मॉइस्चर बिल्कुल नहीं रहेगा, वाटर बिल्कुल आउट हो जाएगा, सो it stop the growth of germs in them. Okay, so in this method dehydration in this method the food items in this method the food items are in this method the food items are dried in the sun to stop the growth of germs. Stop the growth of germs in them. For example, raw mangoes, fish, tomatoes, potato chips, can be preserved by this method. Okay, so dehydration, removing of water from the food. जब वाटर बिल्कुल नहीं होगा, फूड में मॉइस्चर बिल्कुल नहीं होगा, तो अपने आप जर्म्स की जो ग्रोथ होगी वो स्टॉप हो जाएगी। Is it clear? So dehydration in this method the food items are dried in the sun to stop the growth of germs in them. For example, raw mangoes, fish, tomatoes, potato chips can be preserved by this method. These all things can be preserved by this method. So you can take a screenshot. Next question is question number 2. Next question number 2. What is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? Why is it why is it why is it especially what is a balanced diet? Why is it especially important for children? So let's first of all discuss this answer with you. What is a balanced diet and why is it especially important for the children? So student, balanced diet, when we are talking about the balanced diet, so a diet which contain all the nutrients, because when we are talking about the nutrients, so there are 5 groups of nutrients, that is carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals. So a diet which contain all the nutrients in a right amount along with the water and roughage, that is known as the balanced diet. And one by one let us discuss. For example, when we are talking about the carbohydrates, so carbohydrate is energy giving food. We do lot of activities in our day-to-day life. We do study, we play in the ground, we walk, many things we do in our day-to-day life. So for all these things, we also require energy. So from where we get this energy, student? We get this energy from the food. And which type of food which we eat? That is the food which is rich in carbohydrates. तो जितने आपके सीरियल्स हैं, जो अनाज हैं आपके, ठीक है, ये क्या है? रिच सोर्स ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, ठीक है, क्योंकि आपको वो क्या देता है? एनर्जी मिलती है. फैट क्या है? फैट आल्सो, fat give more energy than carbohydrate, but only drawback is that if you start taking excess of, if you start eating such food which are rich source of a carbohydrate, so the drawback of the rich source of a fat, so the only drawback of the fat is that it starts store inside our body. And as we know that there are many internal organs in our body, so it disturbs the function of other internal organs of the body. Okay, in the same manner, protein is also very important, essential, because it helps in the growth. It helps in the growth and development. It helps in the growth and development of the body. Your growth of the muscles, growth of the bones, your skin is formed, your nails, hair. So all these are made of a protein. ये सारी चीजें किससे बनी हुई है बेटा? प्रोटीन से बनी हुई है. Is it clear? And when we are talking about, and it also makes your immune system strong, formation of a hormones जो बॉडी में होते हैं, that is protein is responsible for that. प्रोटीन क्या एनर्जी गिविंग फूड नहीं है, बट मेनी ऑर्गन्स ऑफ योर बॉडी आर फॉर्म्ड ड्यू टू प्रोटीन. एंड व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स, दे आर protective food which protect us from different diseases. Okay, and even due to the lack of these nutrients in our diet, we will suffer from different deficiency diseases. This thing you will study in class 5. What is the meaning of the deficiency diseases? ये जो nutrients हैं, अगर हम बैलेंस डाइट नहीं लेते हैं तो इन न्यूट्रिएंट्स, लैक ऑफ दिस न्यूट्रिएंट मतलब इन न्यूट्रिएंट्स के कमी से भी बेटा हमारे बॉडी में बहुत सी डिजीजेस हो जाती हैं, जिनको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? डेफिशिएंसी डिजीजेस बोलते हैं. सो दिस टॉपिक यू विल कवर्ड इन क्लास 5. थोड़ा सा आपको बता दिया कि न्यूट्रिएंट्स, लैक ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट हमारी बॉडी में होने से भी हमें डिफरेंट डिजीजेस होती हैं, एंड दैट आर नोन एज डेफिशिएंसी डिजीजेस, ठीक है, दैट इज नोन एज डेफिशिएंसी डिजीजेस. So this all about the balanced diet. Why balanced diet is very important? Water and roughage both are not nutrients, ठीक है. बाकी 5 क्या है? फैट, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, विटामिन, मिनरल, these are nutrients. Our body cannot produce these nutrients, so we are getting these nutrients by eating different types of food. हमारी बॉडी न्यूट्रिएंट्स को बना नहीं सकती, इसलिए हम लोग अलग अलग तरह के फूड खाते हैं जिससे ये सारी चीज़ें हमें मिलती रहें, ठीक है. और वाटर रफेज, दे डोंट हैव एनी न्यूट्रिएंट वैल्यू बट दे आल्सो प्ले अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, क्योंकि मैंने बताया था वाटर से क्या होती है, सर्कुलेशन ऑफ फ्लूइड्स होती है, ठीक है, रिमूवल एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ ए न्यूट्रिएंट्स, क्योंकि आपके ब्लड का 70% पोर्शन जो है वो वाटर ही होता है, ठीक है. इट आल्सो मेंटेन द बॉडी टेम्परेचर ऑफ योर बॉडी, हमारी बॉडी का टेम्परेचर भी मेंटेन किससे रहता है बेटा? ड्यू टू द वाटर. सो दैट इज द रीजन हमें ज़्यादा वाटर पीना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारे ब्लड की जो जितनी इम्प्योरिटीज होती हैं दे आर आल्सो थ्रोन आउट फ्रॉम द बॉडी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए यूरिन. So for a good function of our kidney, we should drink lot of water. Is it clear? और रफेज क्या था? आपके स्टमक को क्लियर करने का काम करता है, ठीक है. जो वेस्ट फूड मटेरियल होता है, रफेज इज ए फाइबर. फाइबर मीन्स रेशा. जो ये रेशे आपको किस में मिलते हैं बेटा? फ्रूट्स में और वेजिटेबल्स खाने में, ठीक है. ये ऐसे प्लांट्स के पार्ट हैं विच आर नॉट डाइजेस्टेड बाय आवर बॉडी बट दे हेल्प इन द स्मूथ, जो हमारा बॉडी की जो वेस्ट मटेरियल है विच इज ऑफ नो यूज, सो आपके स्टमक को क्लियर करने का काम करते हैं रफेज, ठीक है. सो और फिर पूछा भाई स्पेशली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर चिल्ड्रन. चिल्ड्रन के लिए बैलेंस डाइट क्यों बहुत है? क्योंकि उनकी ग्रोइंग एज है, उनकी ग्रोथ हो रही है, उनकी बॉडी की डेवलपमेंट हो रही है, ठीक है. सो दैट इज द रीजन for the children balanced diet is very important, ठीक है. note down. Answer number 2. A diet that contains a diet that contains all the nutrients, and nutrients, all the nutrients in the correct amount, okay. A diet that contains all the nutrients in the correct amount, along with water, and roughage. Along with water and roughage needed for the proper functioning of the body is called balance balanced diet. Okay, this is called the balanced diet. Next is, why is it especially important for children? First of all, note down this, then I will rub the board and we will write the reason why it is important for children. So, why is it especially important for children? So, why is it especially important for children? So, you write it is especially important for children. Important, it is especially important for children. It is especially important for children because, what is the reason? Because it provides children with the nutrients they need to grow. Nutrients they need to grow. Okay, next what why is it especially important for children? So what is the answer, student? It is especially important for children because it provides children with the nutrients they needed to grow. Okay, so balanced diet provide all types of a nutrient in the diet which are required for the growth and development of their body. So you can take a screenshot. Next question is question number 3. Why are water and roughage important for us? So next question is, why water and roughage are important for us? This we have already discussed in this question also. Water and roughage. Why water and roughage are important? Reason is that water help in both water and roughage. They don't have any nutrient value, but they are very important for us. Okay, because it helps in the digestion of the food, absorption of a nutrient, circulation, maintaining the body, maintaining the temperature of the body. Okay, so all these things are possible only due to the water. Okay, so in the next video we will write answer number 3. Thank you student.